Going to put you out in the buzzing wrenches?
Yeah?
You got some pipe wrenches for sale, I guess?
Do you know what time it is?
Yeah, it's 2:30.
Yeah, my husband's sleeping. Can you call in the morning?
Oh yeah, I could call. How about, what time's good for your husband? Like 5 a.m.? I gotta work at 6, so... And I work till tomorrow at 11 o'clock at night, I don't know. And I really need these wrenches really bad.
Okay, just a sec. Oh, I was wondering about the pipe wrench. Hello?
Hey, I'm calling about your pipe wrenches for sale.
Yeah.
When's a good time I can come and pick those up?
Well, when would you want to come?
Or I could come right now, or I could come at around 5:30, 5 in the morning.
These are one of them. What about later tomorrow?
I work till about, I gotta work at 6 and then I get back off at 11. I work a long shift all week long there. I really gotta get these wrenches, so. How about, what time do you get up at? I could send my son over there and pick them up for me during the day, maybe.
Well, I just have to think yet. Just trying to think.
How about I call you at like 12 o'clock in the afternoon there from work and we'll figure something out.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, sounds good. Have a good night there, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh my god. You guys are nice, man.